Hello and what's up? How you guys doing? Um, I wanna thank everyone that has been subscribing to my channel, been liking the channel, the videos, sharing it with their friends and family. Thank you for your support, and I want to give a little update about what happened yesterday. I know we said that we were gonna upload a new video going to the shooting range. Apparently, my uncle flaked on me, so I might have to give him a talk and tell him what's going on. And then my other friend said his friend flaked on him. Then my friend Stanley was busy with his wife, and they went to the movies and everything. So he wanted to go, but then I guess we'll have to do some time next weekend or some other time, I guess. So we ended up going to Walmart. So we usually go to the one in Morgan Hill. I believe that's what it's called, Morgan Hill and Walmart. But guess what? We got there, and that place is closed. It's not even 24 hours anymore. So we ended up saying, like, okay. So we were circling around Morgan Hill the whole time, like back and forth, like 3 times. And then we're like, okay, you know what we're going to do? Let's find another Walmart. So the closest one to our area where we live, like Oakland or whatever, was American Canyon. But we were in Morgan Hill, so that would have took 1 hour and 45 minutes. Or we could have went to Sacramento, which we ended up not going there. So the closest Walmart was next to us was Los Panos, which is about a 40 minutes drive. So we ended up going there. So on the way back, it took way longer. So yeah, we ended up just going there, buy some stuff, because we usually, buy stuff every week from there, for the house, for whatever. And we usually go out late because most of us are busy with their families or whatever during the day on the weekend. So we always meet up during a nighttime. So yeah, so it was fun. I mean, I drove and it sucked. I mean, I don't mind driving, but sometimes, it can get to you. But other than that, yeah. So behind me, you'll see Marlena. Marlena. Oh, she's KO. See? Leanne, say hi.
Hi.
Where are you? There she is. Say hi.
Hi.
Say hi, everybody.
Hi, buddy.
That's my daughter, Leanne. She's 3 years old. You're 3, right? Yeah, she's 3. Okay, I'm making sure you know. We're gonna be doing some other stuff. As you can hear my car, for some of you don't know, my car is hybrid. And باليمن إذا يعني أنتم ما عارفين إن السيارة حقي صوته يعني ما في لا صوت ما شاء الله، لأن السيارة يعني نصها كهرباء ونصها بترول. أيوة، نص كهرباء نص بترول. هذا ليش. So you can fish here, but you need to have a license to fish here. There goes San Francisco. Lan is going up to the ducks. Huh? Oh, I missed it. Lan, see? Throw it here. Oh shit, we got me. Huh? Move. Oh, he caught it. Oh. Watch this. He got it. Oh. Look at it. Go. Go. Wow. Huh? That's what I say. Best. Huh? Easy. So what's the Okay, we're giving the birds some bread. Look at that. Wow. يا مدير احنا ندير المدير هذا ها يا مدير ها ايوه ها وانت اشتك ها اذا حداوي والله طاحت علي. Okay guys, I'm all out now.